Ever wished your insurance could reward you for being a safe driver? Today, we're diving into Liberty Mutual's RightTrack program, a smart way to potentially lower your insurance bill. RightTrack utilizes telematics, technology that monitors your driving habits. Think of it like a report card for your driving skills. And the better the grades, the bigger the discount. So, how does it work? First, enroll in the RightTrack program via the Liberty Mutual app. Download the app to your smartphone or connect the RightTrack device to your car. Once set up, the device starts tracking your driving behavior by simply driving with the device connected. The RightTrack program tracks key driving behaviors. Let's focus on acceleration, speed, hard braking, and the time of day you usually drive. Avoiding unsafe habits like speeding and sudden braking gets you positive points. Night driving, which is higher risk, may affect your score. The app provides regular updates, so you can track your progress. Safe driving leads to a discount on your insurance premium. The exact amount can vary. Safe driving habits mean a possible discount when your policy renews. So, consider Liberty Mutual's RightTrack. It's a great way to save money on insurance while improving your driving habits. For more details, visit Liberty Mutual's website. Drive safely, and thanks for watching.